See this little girl over here? She's mad. You know why she's mad? Because Papa threw away the noodles. This is Hans the Ramen Raider with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I better make some more because Mimi wants some noodles. Yeah? Yeah. Alright, so I am making some, it's Myojo Scrambled Egg Udon. Hopefully that'll be something she enjoys, and hopefully she is patient to wait. This was a bowl, so it's getting steeped. Noodle block. Garnish that was loose in the bowl. And your wonderful happiness powder. There we go. And this stuff needs, oddly enough, 5 minutes. 3. Yeah. Okay, 5 minutes and there'll be more noodles, Mimi. How's that sound? That good? Okay. Anything you want, Mimi. Anything you want. Oh, now you're gonna sit in my chair, huh? Yeah. So, yeah, she hangs out with me while I do all the walking, and I run her around like a little princess in her stroller. And we've got a speaker, and we have flashing lights. And, yeah, I wouldn't have it any other way. Although someday she will grow up and, you know, but... What are you doing, Mimi? Hey! Oh. See, what happened is I made another noodle a little bit ago. And, of course, she's thrilled about that. And got mad after I took pictures and took it away. And so now she wants more, but now she's all like noodle crazy. So I don't know. But it's today. Yeah, let's do some Monopoly Safeway ticks, yo. What do we got here? I finished my drink. And come on, brand new bag of mixed vegetables from Safeway for free. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah, right. 50 cents off razor blades. Okay, so this is the biggest scam in history. You've got little tiny pieces of metal, just super tiny, they're not special, and they're just like, they're razors, but they're just short. And they're mounted on a little thing. You start out with one, and then they come out with dual edge super razors. And then they have the Mach 3. I think there's a Mach 4. I think I've seen them with up to 5 blades. I got the notion that, hey, you know, I used to have an electric razor. I'll get an electric razor. So I got this Panasonic one that uses sound. I'm thinking, you know, like Dune, you know. It's a technique that uses sound. And, but it also mentioned on the packaging, if it doesn't work for you at first, give it a chance. Give it time for your skin and your hair and you to get used to using it. I used it for like a month. Their technique using sound was faulty. It was like taking over a half an hour to shave, whereas like the cheapest razor you could possibly get, I can shave in like a minute. So I don't know. I'm kind of bummed. I like the idea of having a needle razor. But anyways. I need more drink. Bang. You want Noodle? Are you done with your tablet? Why? You need help? One moment. You want help? Okay, let Papa help. Did it turn off? Oh, you're trying to hack. Here. There you go. What do you say? You're welcome, baby. I was like thoroughly terrified of having a daughter, and I gotta say, it's the most wonderful thing in the world. She's so freaking cute and sweet, and well, of course there are times when she screams like, oh my god, you just want to tear your mind out, but there are other times where it's just like, oh god. Udon. Tofu? Okay, so this is scrambled egg style. So yeah, look at that. That's all like bits of scrambled egg and junk. Whew. Hot. That's good. I'll deal with that. It's sweet, you know. It's got that kind of sweety little bit of bonito broth kind of thing going on. Alright, let's get a look in on this bowl. I'm like out of it, but I'm amped at the same time. It's hard to explain. Maybe I'm having a second wind. I woke up like I went to bed like around 10 something, and then woke up. I keep having this dream. Not a good dream either. I have a dream that my alarm goes off. And it's so real I don't even question it. I never question it. So I'm all dressed. I come out here. I'm like, you're kidding me. I've been asleep for like almost 2 hours. And then I sit down on the couch and then I pass out. Then I wake up at 3, which that's cool. And then I basically got up and got to work on noodle junk. Yep. I've gotten very used to I've found myself becoming more acclimated. How about that? Acclimated to spending time while not having too much sleep. And it honestly, I feel like I'm better suited to doing that. When I was a kid, I slept and slept and slept and slept. I was one of those teenagers that just like slept way more than I should have been allowed to. But I think my parents just got burnt out on the whole. This is habanero shichimi or togarashi. Anything else? Oh, hold on. I've got a bag of this stuff. Is this it? No. Where's this stuff? Where's the stuff? There's the stuff. this stuff. It's bits of tempura. And it's kind of like built for udon, like this. So let's put a little bit of tempura on here. Blah! Oh God, that was a little abrupt. There. A little bit more spring onion. I think I'll try to. Yeah. All right. Well, let's see how we're looking here. Can you see everything? You can certainly see it all, folks. And it's time now to get up close and personal. And boom. There you go. Different song. Are you ready? Come on. Let's grab a noodle. Hey, Mimi. Here you go. Drop everything. I have a noodle for you. Whoa, careful. Careful. There you go. What do you say? Oh. All right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.